Introducing RedCar, the revolutionary B2B AI sales rep. This innovative tool autonomously converts anonymous website visitors and outbounds into new customers. Trusted by busy B2B sellers and founders, RedCar requires zero management and offers optional approval settings. It's the most integrated solution, combining inbound and outbound strategies in one product. With access to 270 million contacts and 70 million businesses, RedCar outperforms GPT-4 in accuracy. It reveals warm buyers visiting your website and engages customers with deep personalization. RedCar offers to plans grow, equivalent to 2 SDR, and scale, equivalent to 6 SDR. Both include website visitor, reveals, custom lead qualifications, personalized emails, and AI-powered meeting booking. RedCar is ideal for B2B businesses targeting small to medium-sized companies. Many customers get their first meetings booked on the first day. Unlike other sales platforms, RedCar is a full-stack platform with high-end AI automation. There's no free trial, but RedCar offers break clauses in all plans. Get started in minutes and generate ROI instantly with RedCar.